So I bet you're wondering what exactly you're going to be getting in this course, and I'm so excited to show you everything. I really took a lot of time to think about what is it that you would need and what I wanted to share with you and to give to you. So in the course, you're going to be getting your Jewel Loom and all of the components to make your awareness cuff, which include 4 strands of 6mm fire polish beads. Now these are really nice big beads so that, as I mentioned earlier, you won't have a hard time, getting that needle through the hole because they're just really nice, really great size. I love working with this 6mm bead. You're also going to be getting your wildfire, which is your beading thread, leather cording, and you'll also have the wire that you will need so that you can finish your ends. And I'm also including one of these wooden toggle clasps, and I'm just going to bring that in here really quick so you can see it already on the bracelet and what a difference it makes when you finish it off with the wood toggle clasp. Now, as a bonus, I'm so excited because I know that I love to craft with my friends. There's nothing more exciting than to be, with family or friends while you're creating something. So I'm giving you another Jewel Loom. Yay! I love that. I want you to, have fun. You could be with somebody. And if you already have one, then you know what? Pay it forward. So it's a great gift. Now, in addition to that, another bonus is that I have put together the PDF file with beautiful colored instructions and photos on how to make this super simple rainbow hemp bracelet. So if you're a vegan, this is perfect for you because it's made with hemp, so it's very friendly and super easy to create. I mean, you're literally just doing your warps and then you're weaving. And it's so funny because all of these bracelets were made by my high school girlfriend. I gave her a spool of hemp and I was like, do you think you could make some of these up for me? And then she brought back oodles of them and she loved it. It was so soothing and just, really calm. Again, that back and forth movement of weaving. Ugh, yummy. I can't wait to show you how to do that. So that right there is another one of the bonuses. You'll have enough hemp to make one bracelet. So that is super, super cool. You'll be able to do that. And as a personal gift, I'm really excited about this. So if you follow me in social media, which if you're not and you need the links to that, I'm sure we'll put them up somewhere in this box. You'll know that I spend a lot of time at the beach, and Mama Ocean and I have this incredible connection. It's where I do my healing. It's where I meditate. It's where I ask for guidance. The water it's my soul. It's everything that I love. And every day that Mama comes and washes her treasures up onto the sand, it's just like I'm happy. I'm so happy. And my little puppy, my little fur baby and I, we walk all the time, little Marlon Brando. We'll have to maybe get a picture of him in here. And we go and we find sea glass. And I am so happy to tell you that I'm going to be picking sea glass, and not only a piece of sea glass, but what I refer to as a piece of meditation shell. And the reason why I call it that is that I will find a piece similar to what I have in my hand, and it's got this smooth surface. And as I'm talking to Mama Ocean, and as I'm checking out all the treasures, and I'm thinking about, what it is that I need to meditate on, what's happening in my life, I'm rubbing it. And there's something so cool and calming about the thumb and the rubbing of this shell. It's like, I don't know if you've ever heard of tapping before, where people use tapping and they tap in certain places on their body to bring you down to a piece of center. Well, this is what rubbing the shell does for me. So I'm so excited, and I can't wait that, as orders come in, as you become a part of this Jewel Loom journey, to your own awareness and happiness, I can't wait to go with little Marlon Brando and find my gift to you, piece of sea glass and a shell. And just keep in mind, it won't always look identical to this because Mama gives us different looking glass, different looking treasures. And I'm getting a little choked up here because I'm just so excited. I mean, this is like really personal. It's like we're really going to know each other. Oh, and so in addition, gosh, there's just so much that I put together for you. So there's a private Facebook group where you will be given the link to join, and it is a closed group. So only those of you that are on this journey will be able to be in the group, and that means access to me. So, when you have a question about the Jewel Loom, the project, or life, here I am. Thanks again. I'm just, as you can tell, I'm like so super excited, so grateful, and I just cannot wait to start this whole journey with you.